example, I will explain you how to find out the duplicate elements from the string and the unique elements from the string. So first of all, let's check for the unique strings from the array. So we are using Java language. I have created one main method and I have taken one array. So in this array we have Java, C, Python, C++, Java, C sharp, C. So basically we can see that Java is 2 times, C is also 2 times. So we want to find out the unique elements from the array. So our final output will be Python, C++, and C sharp. So we have to print that. So how to do that? For that I have written the code. I will just explain you how to write the code for it. Then we have taken one integer count. We have just declared it as of now. We have not initialized it. Again, we have taken for loop and we have basically two for loop. One is outer for loop and one is inner for loop. So in this for loop as well, we have taken integer I is equal to 0 to I less than array dot length I plus plus, and inner for loop will start from, like I have taken here variable as j is 0 less than j less than array dot length j plus plus. So in both the loops we are using same array dot length, and it will navigate from 0 to the sixth element. Basically here are total 7, so as array follows indexing, so it will start from 0. Okay, so in the in the first for loop we have initialized count is equal to 0. So why we have initialized count is equal to 0, I will explain that later. So let's first understand what is this for loop. So in the this inner for loop, so I have taken this condition, if array of I dot equals array of j. What it means, array of I, so what is the value of I now? So in the first iteration, I value is 0. So what is array of 0? Array of 0 will be Java, right? And what is array of j? So j value is also 0, so it is also Java. So value of when both are equals, so it will increase the count from 0 to 1. Initially count is 0, so it will increase from 0 to 1. Now array of 0, array of I will be 0, and the value of j will increase till 6. So it will check for other values, other elements from the array. Now j value will become 1, so it will check C. Java dot equals C, no, it will not increase the count now. Then again Java dot equals Python, no. Java dot equals C plus plus, no. Java dot equals Java, yes. So again the count will increase from 1 to 2. Again it will check Java dot equals C sharp, Java dot equals C, no. The value will increase of j, and it will check for all the elements. And here we got Java 2 times in the array, so that's the final count of Java. So we know that's how we will get the count of the elements present. So now after if condition, I have taken another if condition here. So in this if condition, but keep just see it very keenly, that I have written this condition in the outer for loop. This is our outer for loop. In this for loop I have written this condition, if count is equal to 1. What it means, it means the count will not increase to 2, which will remain 1, which means if the element present in the array, it's single time, which means it's present only once. So that's why count is equal to 1. So when we found Java first time, we got count 1, right? And when we found it second time, then the count become 2. So when the count is equal to 1, the system dot out dot println array of I. So what is array of I? Array of I is 0 now, so 0, that is Java. So it will not print because its count is 2, not 1. That's why it will not print Java. Java is not a unique value in the element. Again, the value of I will increase from 0 to 1 now. Initially it was 0, now it's 1. Now again array of 1 is C dot equals array of j, that is 0. Again uh, C dot equals Java, no. C dot equals C, yes. Then count will increase to 1. Then C dot equals Python, no. C dot equals C plus plus, no. C dot equals Java, C dot equals C sharp, C dot equals C, yes. Then again it will become 2. So for both Java and C, the count will increase to 2. That's why this condition will not execute. Again, it will go for again the value of I will increase from 1 to 2, and again count will become 0. Now count became 0. Here it became 2, right? So again we are reinitializing it to 0 so that each operation will be different and we can separate out the uh, count value each time. So again count is 0. Then now we got a Python array of 2 is Python. So Python dot equals array of that is 0, array of 0 is Java. Python dot equals Java, no. Python dot equals C, no. Python dot equals Python, yes. Then count will become as 1. Then again it will check for rest of the elements. Python dot equals C plus plus, Python dot equals Java. So no, there is only one Python, that's why count will be 1, and that's why we will get first element as a Python here. Then for the same, again a value of I will increase from 2 to 3, and it will check for C++. Again it's a present single time, it will print C++. Again for a value increase of I from 3 to 4, and for fourth we have C sharp. Again C sharp is present of only one times, it will increase count to only one, not two. So again we will get count is equal to 1, so we will get C sharp as a final answer. And again C will be two times because it is also present one times, two times. So for this also we will get C is equal to 2, so that's why count will increase to 2. Let's check whether our loop is executing correctly. Let's check if we have written the correct code. Let me run the code and it should print Python C++ C sharp. Yes, the loop, the code is working fine. So you can just change any condition. Let's remove this C and make it as a C++. Now it should print C in the answer instead of C++. Yes, we are getting C sharp, Python, C sharp and C, not the C++. Now let's make Java to let's make C as also a C++. Now it should print only two elements, Python and C sharp. Yes, it's working. So this code is correct. You can find out the duplicate and unique values from the array in this way. Yeah, that's it about finding unique elements from the string from the given array. Thank you.